Okay, this video, I'm going to show you how to do the cost estimation parts list. You're going to need to create this spreadsheet to find out how much it costs to build the food shack, right? You're going to only do the cost estimation for the lumber, the wood. Don't worry about the exterior walls, the roofing material, the doors, the windows, or any other materials such as the nails and the screws. So let's go and get started. Open up Fusion, and then we'll continue on from the last assignment. So if you haven't already, make sure you save the drawing sheet. Okay. And it wants, there you go. All right. And so on here on the drawing sheet, right, you have your complete parts list. Left click on it. And then you're going to right click and you're going to drop down, go to export. Then you're going to export the CSV, the spreadsheet file, the Excel file like that. Okay. And it should go into your downloads folder here. Okay. Go ahead, save, right? Make sure it's a CSV file, right? Okay, then what you want to do is open up the Excel file on your computer, but if you can't, just open up your Google Drive. Okay, click on the dots here and click on Sheets. This is the same thing, but in Google. All right, and then upload it onto your sheet. So I'm going to open up a blank sheet set here. Go to File, Open. And I'm going to upload it from my computer. There it is right there. Let it upload. Okay, so here's the sheet set. So what you're going to do is you're going to price every component that we have listed here, and then you're going to total it. Okay, just like I want here, I want you to also add the sales tax, which is 9.75%. Okay, so what you're going to do is look up the prices on online, right? If you go to Home Depot, make sure that you're looking for example, if you are doing the 2x6s, you're going to be looking for the dimensional lumber, right? 2x6. They come in 8-foot lengths, 10-foot, and 12. Okay. So make sure you pick the cheapest one, right? So if you're picking the 2x4, right? 2x4 by 96, that's the same thing, right? And then here is the price list for the OSB, the oriented strand board. Okay. So let's go back to the sheet set. So here, what I'm going to do, but you have the quantities here and you want to price it. So what I would do is I would left click on the column here, column C. I'm going to right click. I'm going to insert one column to the left. Okay. And then I'm going to do it one more time. Insert to the left. Okay. And then I'm going to expand this E so I can see what it is. So if you notice on this first one, right, it says you need quantity 2 of the 4x8, 48 inches by 96 by half-inch Suffler base, which is the OSB. This is it right here, right? So I'll go and put it in $30.05. Okay, so I need, okay, I'll go and put it in here. Okay, 2, so you multiply that by 2, that would be what, $60.10. So on here, go ahead and add price. And then on here, it's subtotal, okay? So that way you can organize a little better. And what I would do, right, if I highlight C and D, I would go here under data, or let's see, format. Let's make it $sign. I'm going to go to number. I'm going to make it a currency number, okay, by 2 decimals like that. So it automatically put the $signs, okay? So now here, okay, I happen to be having the 2x4 spreadsheet, right? But some of you, a third period, will have 2x6. Okay, so I'm going to go in here, look at the price. Okay, for a 2x4 by 8-foot, it's $6.98. All right, so I'm going to put the price here, $6.98. Right, and I need 2 of them. So what's that? Let's do the real quick. $6.98 times 2, $13.96. Okay. Now, if you look over here on some of these, right, so we have the top plate, right? It's 2x4 by 48 inches, okay? And you only need 1, right? We know that a 2x4 by 8 is $6.98, and 48 inches is half of 96. So I'm going to put the price like this, 6.98 divided by 2, okay? So that would equal what? Wait, how many do we need here? We only need 1. Okay, so you can follow along. I'll explain this in class again to you. Okay, $3.49. Okay, so on and so forth, because you'll need to divide that, right? This one's 48 inches. This you have this one's 24 inches, right? So you're going to be cutting the 2x4s or 2x6s, right? 24. Let's do 96 divided by 24, right? That's 4. So on for this one, I'm going to put 698 divided by 698 divided by 4. Okay. And well, let's do the math real quick. Right, because 96 divided by 24 is 4. It's going to be 1. Let's round it up, 175. Okay. For 1. Actually, there's 2, right? 175 times 2. Let's put there times 2. Okay. All right. So that's how you do it. So make sure when you add it, you're going to put the subtotal here. Okay. Or the final total, however you want to do it. Okay. And then you're going to put the tax, right? Tax at 9.75%. And then you're going to put total, okay? Right, let's put total without tax. Okay? Just like that. So this is what I'm going to want to see in the end. All right. And then you can tell me how much it costs to build a food shack with today's lumber prices. All right. Make sure you complete that. And then you can ask me questions in class. All right. So that's it.